Hey Preston, what's up?
How's it going?
Pretty good, how are you?
I'm excited.
Nice, nice.
I'm doing good.
Hey, we're here at Skydive Elsinore, yeah? My name is Keith, I'm your video guy. Tell me, what are we doing today?
Parachuting.
Nice, jumping out of airplanes. Why are we doing this?
Because I want it.
Just for fun?
Just for fun.
Nice.
All for fun.
So we're gonna get in a little plane, go to 12,500 feet,
Alright.
jump out, go 120 miles an hour. Are you excited?
I'm stoked.
Nice. Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Just a little bit?
Just a little bit. Not
Cool.
this big.
Hey, let's check out the harness. Spin around, let's see it. Looks pretty good. You read the instruction label on the back, right?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I think so.
Alright.
Might have just skipped that part.
That looks good. Where's your parachute?
I think I'm just gonna go with that one today.
Sweet. Alright. You only need a parachute if you want to skydive twice.
Alright.
Sweet.
I like that deal there.
Alright, well, let's go get on the plane. And any last words to friends and family at home?
See you soon.
Alright. See ya.
Got you here. Okay, I'm gonna pull your head back to my shoulder. Okay, counts will go just like this. Ready, set, and away we go. We're step away. Nice, good arch. Okay. For your legs, right up on my butt. Feel me tap your shoulders. Okay. Keys give me right in front. Thumbs up. Rock on. Boom.
And wave at me. What's up?
Hey!
Don't fall. Preston, what's up?
Flying!
Yeah? Hey man, we just took off. We're like 5,000 feet. How you feeling?
Nervous.
Yeah? You ready to go?
I'm ready to go now.
Hook up with this guy first. Then go.
I guess I'm just going by myself.
Hey, hey. Idiot, wake up.
Ready to go? I think he's ready.
Yeah, don't worry about him. You got it.
We'll be alright, I think.
Just pull the parachute, okay, Preston?
Okay. Right now?
No. Oh, yeah. On the way down.
I just do what you told me to.
All right, let's go. High five. Nice. Nice.
Boom. Wow. Woo! Let's do this! Boom!
Hi, Carl. Hey, Preston. Where? Nice. Yeah. Preston, tell me, what was it like?
Amazing.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Sweet.
Crazy.
Was it good for you too?
You did a great job.
Nice.
Good job, Preston.
All right. Any last words to friends and family?
Do it.
Do it.
Just do it.
You want to go again?
Alright, let's do it.
Sweet. Right here at Skydive Elsinore. It's Hot Carl the Man right there.
My name is Keith.
Preston, we'll see you later.